Meaning of hooked.
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 Hooked. The word hooked can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. However, the most common definition is to be excessively interested or addicted to something. This could refer to a person who is hooked on a particular hobby, activity, or substance. Being hooked can result in a range of outcomes from positive to negative. It can lead to feelings of enjoyment and fulfillment, but at the same time, it can also cause distractions from other important aspects of life and potentially lead to harmful behaviors or consequences.